Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable cookies on iPhone. So if any of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So if you want to disable or you want to enable cookies on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On your iPhone settings, you want to scroll down and click on apps to have access to all your applications on your iPhone. Now under apps, scroll down until you get to the Safari app. So click on Safari. Once you click on Safari, you want to scroll down and click on advanced. So just keep scrolling, and then click on advanced beneath. Once you click on that, for you to be able to block all cookies or disable enable all cookies, locate block all cookies. Turn this on. The spot that says I also want to block all cookies. Click on block all, and that is going to disable all cookies on your iPhone. Now to enable cookies on your iPhone, while on the advanced page, turn off block all cookies, and after that you are good. So that's exactly how to enable or disable cookies on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.